Beginners Moto 1 First Heats competitors are Tyjo Matthews 37, Ashok Santhosh 07, Jaya Krishanan 09, Sanju 59, Given 61, Rijo Thomas 62, Albin KS 11, Kamal 87. MotoXindia.com headed by Mr. SURJITH KS in association with DYFI organized a motocross event on 12th of April 2015 in Kerala. Tyjo Matthews leading the race and followed by Ashok Santhosh. Now Ashok Santhosh leading the race and followed by Tyjo Matthews. Three laps to go. Ashok Santhosh still leading the race and followed by Tyjo Matthews. Ashok Santhosh representing Team MotoXindia.com in past few years. Final lap and Ashok Santhosh leading the race and followed by Tyjo Matthews. Ashok Santhosh finished the race first and followed by Tyjo Matthews, Sanju and Albin KS. These four riders are qualified for semi-finals.